Hello guys, today I will show how my chickens are laying eggs and how color they are. So first we need to check how much eggs do I have. And I don't know how much eggs now I have. For now on I have one egg and she's green. We have to wait for more eggs. Let's see, does I have more eggs now? I hope I have. Oh, there's one chicken laying egg. So we have to wait. Right, we have to wait 30 minutes. Then we get another egg. Let's check, guys. Does I have another egg? I wonder if I have now. Oh, I have another egg. Its color are brown. Now we have to wait for more eggs, but we don't know if we get more eggs. That's a question. Let's wait. Today I get only 2 eggs, but sometimes I get 3 eggs and 4 eggs. But today only 2. And I will show how fast does my chickens are eating grass. Alright, watch. All chickens are come and fighting for grass. They're eating really fast. Some chickens are not coming because they don't see grass. Guys, can you please like and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos? Okay, see you next video. Goodbye.